what you need is some adhesive and a toothpick. Now, my toothpick is flat, and a round one would work better, but I'm having a hard time locating one. So I'm going to start with this flat one and see if I can get it to roll out. Now, you want to start with some glue on your paper. You don't have to glue every inch of your paper, okay? So I'm going to set this toothpick onto the paper and start to roll, and I want to roll up very tight. Okay, so I don't want any gaps in the paper. Make sure it's good and tight before you get started rolling. Once you've got it started, you can then easily roll it on a table surface. And this would be fun for the kids to do with you, as well as a fun little gift to give them. So either way, getting it started takes a little bit of work, but once you've got it started, you're good to go. Now, if it starts to move on you a little bit, you want the excess paper to go towards the top of the stick, okay? So as I roll here, I am just pushing down nice and tight. And then when I'm ready to add another piece, I'm just going to add a little glue here and tuck in a color. And continue to roll. Now, as the end of the other piece comes around, you're going to want to add some glue there to make sure that it's attached well. But after that, you don't have to do it every single roll. I put some in the middle usually, and then of course at the end. Now I'm stacking my colors, so I'm going white color, and I'm using about 6 pieces that are about 3/4 of an inch wide and 8.5 inches long. So here are my finished pieces. Now, what I talked about with lining up the paper, if it does get off track a little, you want to leave the rounded shape towards the bottom and a concave at the top. The other thing you want to do is you want to slide your round piece of paper down close to the end of the point on each of them. Now this long stem can stay in place, or you can, trim it off or do however you would like, but this is how they spin.